no clue is not in her.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a unit by Sister Wig, and it is from their Slay collection. I have the wig in the color 99J, and the name of the wig is Kristy. I haven't taken it out of the packaging yet, so we can do that together. This is the box that it comes in, and I always like that their Slay collection box is kind of like has a Y on it, so it's a really cute, nice, sturdy box if you decide to keep the wig in the box once you're done wearing it. It comes packaged pretty good. So here is the care card. Looks like they give you 2 care cards. Yeah, I'm not sure why, but they give you 2 care cards. Here's one, and that's the color, that's the name of the unit, and their units are usually, yes, safe up to 400 degrees. This one says it comes with baby hair, Remy fibers, hand tie, and it's a sombre, so it has a couple different colors in there. So let's take the wig out of the packaging here. So I like the blend of the 99J, I can tell you that. And the hair feels pretty soft. I'm not sure of the cut, but we'll see. We can get into that. So let's get into the cap construction. It's your regular cap construction. It looks like it's a middle part wig. Looks like maybe 3 inches, 2.5, 3 inches of parting. You have 2 combs on the side here, a comb in the back with your standard adjustable straps. The lace, it's not real soft, but it's not scratchy. It's a pretty decent lace. I think it'll lay pretty flat without having to put anything on it. I'm going to take off the tag and let you see it maybe in a little bit more lighting. So here's the parting area, and that looks pretty good, I think. So let me get this one off, and I will get this one on, and let's take a look. Okay, right away I'll tell you the cap construction is pretty good. I didn't adjust the straps at all. They are pretty good. The cap construction is. I got this one because it reminded me of a sew-in, and I thought someone would like that. So this is the hairline. It's your standard hairline, okay? That is the parting area. So I like how it does this news anchor thing here, how it kind of goes in on the sides and then it sits in the back. So let's get the front up and get this lace off. Now the hair texture it's not real silky. I'll say it's more on the silky side, I'll say that, than it is on the yucky side. So let's put this up. give you a 360 before I get into my thoughts on the wig. So this is the front of the wig. As you can see, I shifted it. It's supposed to be a middle part wig, and it's supposed to kind of be hugging your face, but it wasn't working for me. So what I did was I shifted the wig a little bit and made this side come a little bit shorter to give me a longer swoop style bang. Because of the way it's cut, it just automatically falls into this layer right here. So I took it and turned it into a left side part wig. So that's the front, comes like that. Then that's this side. Here is the back, nice and flat, hopefully. And then you get this side. Now this side is straight. So if you look on the model, it looks like both sides are pretty much cut the same, but that's kind of not the case. Now it does take heat, so you could manipulate this side and you could curl it in some kind of way to match this one. So cons, let's get into the cons about this wig first. My first con is that the sides don't match like they say they do, or like they are displayed on the model. I don't think that the sides completely match to give you the center part with the short look in the front, the short layer, and then to go into this layer to hang in the back like that. I don't think that it gives you that. It is cute, but it doesn't give you the look that if you're going for that look there. Another thing, it seems like this side has a little bit more hair than this side does. So that will present a slight problem if you were trying to buy the unit to mimic what you see on the actual tag. So the hair itself is more silky than it is yucky. So if you do not like silky hair, you may not like this. Now it's not too silky, but it is pretty silky. The shine on it, it's okay. You could probably, or I could probably put some dry shampoo to take the shine down just a little bit, just a teeny bit. But the positives of the unit, and there are positives. One, I like the color. They blended the color really well. Two, the cap construction is very comfortable. It feels like I don't have anything on my head, and I like that. It doesn't feel tight. It's not moving. It's not shifting all over the place. So it's not too big, not too small. Perfect cap size for this wig. The length of it is great as well. It literally sits on your shoulders. If you push it all back, it still isn't that long. And I like the way that it flows. I like when you move your head, the hair moves with you. To me, it mimics a sew-in that way. The parting area is pretty good. I would go in and pluck it if I was to wear it. Obviously, I'm being a little bit lazy, so I didn't pluck it. I put a little powder there. So I would probably go in and pluck the parting if I was to wear it. Also, I would definitely do something else with just this side. I don't know what else right now, but I would have done, do something else. I don't know if I would, put it behind my ear. See, I like that look a whole lot better to me. It's funny with wigs, like you can do one or two little small things and you change the way the whole thing looks. So so I probably would have put that behind my ear like so, to give it like just an everyday wear to work, you still looking fly wig. You know what I'm saying? So all in all, I think that depending on the price of this, if it's in $20, $25, that's fine, because it's going to be something that you can just throw on. You can go out the door. It's a no fuss wig. It probably is going to hold up. It's not long. It shouldn't tangle. I didn't get any shedding with it at all. I didn't get any shedding. So, and I like, even though this is a longer bang, if you didn't like that, you probably could lay this down like I did this side and put it behind your ears as well. So all in all, I like the unit. I give it a thumbs up. I say get it. Because the small hiccups that it has, I don't think it kills the wig. It's just tweaking it here and tweaking it there. So if you have not, please subscribe to the channel, hit the subscription button, and if you feel so inclined, hit the bell next to it and you will be notified every time I upload a video. And as you guys know, if you share this video on any of your social media, please tag me in it. My name is Beauty by Mark. I will see you ladies in my next video. Bye.